Hello guys and welcome back to MSX Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to unlock the Kali sticks in the OG Verdansk, and let's get straight into the video. So if you make your way over to weapons, go over to load up, then go over to melee, and then you go down to Kali sticks. It does say that it is unlocked in the Return to Verdansk event. Now the only thing is that if you make your way over to event as of April 16, there is no return to event. The only event that is available is the Black Ops tribute, but it's coming in 13 hours, so you cannot unlock it. But so that's if you don't have it, that's you're not going to be able to unfortunately get it. The only way you could have gotten it is by doing the Return to Verdansk event, and obviously that event, if you under the event tab, is not here anymore, so you will not be able to unlock it. So that is something, but if you were able to do it, then you obviously have it. So yeah, that is it for the video. Again, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.